Hi guys, Manny at Gourmet Takeaway. Today we're gonna show you how I do my dark chocolate bark. I do use very good quality chocolates and good quality roasted nuts and dried fruit. I'll be posting the recipe for you, and you can check it out after viewing the video. Okay? So what we're gonna need is a very good quality chocolate. We're gonna have nice roasted nuts. Here I'm using walnuts and pecans, and of course you could choose whatever nuts you like. I'm gonna have here we have cranberry, dried cranberry, and dried raisins, and of course you could use other dried fruit as well. And we're gonna be using some pure vanilla, a tiny pinch of salt, and sometimes I like to add some liqueur to my bark. And of course, like you choose a nut liqueur like hazelnut, pistachio, whatever liqueur if you want. Of course, this is an optional and you don't have to use it. So the percentage of chocolate to nuts and fruits, 75% chocolate to 15% nuts and 10% dried fruit. So that's the proportion I like to use. Here I'm using block chocolate, but of course you could use any good cooking chocolate. First, I microwave my chocolate. I use a microwave, which is easy and fast. So I'll microwave this for, at the beginning, like for about 2 to 3 minutes. And then I stop microwaving and I stir the chocolate around. So when I'm microwaving my chocolate, I have a suitable tray ready for me to pour the bark when it's ready. So here, after I microwaved the initial microwaving for about, I think about 3 minutes here because I have a big quantity of chocolate. So I stir it around to make to see the consistency of the chocolate. So what we're looking for here is a nice syrupy chocolate. So after stirring it around, as you can see, there's still some chunks of chocolate. So I will microwave it again for about 30 seconds at a time until I get a nice syrupy chocolate. Here I microwaved it for another 30 seconds, and as you can see, it's getting much better and very few chunks of chocolate left. So I keep stirring it to make sure it melts by itself, or I have to microwave it another 30 seconds. I'm gonna microwave it another 30 seconds because there's few chunks of chocolate, but first I'm gonna add some vanilla to it, a pinch of salt. I'll stir it around nicely, and this is a good time too to add your liqueur if you're using liqueur, okay? Here we are, our chocolate is nice and syrupy. See how it is coming down, beautiful like that. That's the consistency we're looking for. Now we add the nuts to our chocolate and we stir it around nicely. We fold it in. And now we add our dried fruits and we fold them in nice. Now I pour everything in the pan like that. Nice. Okay. Then I spread the mixture evenly on the tray. It depends how thick you want it. You just make it maybe one fourth of an inch, maybe a little larger. But you can just keep smoothing it because it's gonna solidify after maybe an hour or so. It will be, you will have your nice bark. Just make sure it's nice and even. Okay. So after I spread the bark like that, of course, you're gonna have a parchment paper underneath, so it'll be easy for you to remove it and cut it up or crack it up. So what I do now, I'll put it in the refrigerator, and it will solidify a little bit faster. Yeah, Yam, I just took the bark out of refrigerator. It's been sitting there for about half an hour, or you can have it for a longer time. Okay, now I try to ease the chocolate from the parchment paper, like easy, as you can see here, like that, and then I put it back on the parchment paper. Okay. So now, for me to be easy to cut it up, I slide it from the tray and I'll put it right here. And then I have my knife here, whatever. Then I slice it to what I like. So I start right here, like that. Like that. Okay. Then I turn it around. It depends how you're sitting. And then make room here. You can cut each section by itself. So I will have that maybe into 4 sections. I go in half, then another half, then another half. See? Like that. Okay? Okay, so if you don't want to cut it with a knife, you could just do it by hand, like that. See? You crack it up to whatever you want, like this. See? Easy. Okay? Okay, guys, if you like this recipe and the way we make it, give us a like and subscribe to our channels. That will help us a lot by bringing you more videos. Okay, bye for now.